UFOs flying everywhere in my area. I live in the middle of nowhere in Michigan. I've been seeing things in the sky I cannot explain at all, always followed by man-made aircraft and drones, mostly black ones. Started a few months ago when I was bored and went for a walk outside at 5:24 p.m. I see a plane going up in the sky, not forward but up. Some could say it was an optical illusion, but you would have to be there in person to see. What I'm about to say next most of you won't believe. But I don't care, just looking for answers. I seen a white orb-shaped light appear and disappeared, sort of circled the plane or whatever it was, and the orb disappeared. Then I was flipping out. I watched the plane or whatever it was fly up and out my sight. Then I walk into the field near me and see two black drones flying around the area. I thought it was weird, maybe some kind of government aircraft tests or something. Went out the next day at the same time for shits and giggles, and the same thing happened. Few days later I go outside at 9 p.m. and I see a red light, not a star, staying in one place, followed by two more flying out of it. Really strange to me. The red light, maybe drone or some kind craft, is always out there now each night, moving and dispersing whenever. Also forgot to mention the day I saw the white light orb. A car stopped down by the field and I approached the car and it sped off. All this together is very odd. Wonder what your guys' thoughts are. Sorry for my poor grammar. If anyone is interested, I have some videos as well. Post from user Airflew at Reddit. Comments. I live in the southeast metro Detroit area and I've seen quite a few strange moving lights recently that I cannot explain. Such as things I thought were stars darting off after sitting still for sometimes upwards of an hour, as well as balls of light darting back and forth. Comment from user Assnuts at Reddit.